Hello everyone, I am Gunapriya here. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Are you thinking about why I am playing with this car? Is this car? No. This is beautiful and simple pen pencil holder. Isn't it looks nice? Do you want to make like this? Then let's go to make it.
Write down the material for this craft. You need A4 size color paper. Take any two colors and black color paper, pencil, scissor, glue and marker. Any waste soap box, any circle object for making a circle, and one cardboard. First, take the box and cut the box from the top. Then stick it with glue if there are any openings. Now apply glue to the box from all sides and stick color paper on it. Now take cardboard and draw the car shape on it. You can follow these steps to draw the car. You can use any circular things like bottle lid, protractor, 360 degrees, CD, DVD or anything available for you. Now cut this car shape using your paper scissor. It is time to make your car colorful. For that, use your color craft paper. Apply glue on the car shape cardboard and stick color paper on it. Cut out extra paper and repeat the same procedure from the back side. Now take the black paper and make car wheels using your circular shape tools. Also, cut window shapes using another color paper. Cut a small strip of paper and stick it in the bottom of the car. It makes your car more beautiful. Don't worry about the accuracy of the paper shapes. Stick the car on the box using paper glue and your beautiful paper pen pencil holder is ready.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming new videos, please subscribe my channel GpnArts. Till then, bye.